Hey, Paul from Jitterbit here. Working with our new BigCommerce endpoint, our connector. And you can see I have my BigCommerce products here, and I've got NetSuite. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just run this real quick. I'm going to show you it working, and then I'll show you and tell you how it worked. All right. So I'm going to get this list of products from NetSuite. It's our inventory items. And this is pulling that list, and as it pulls the list, it upserts these items individually. We can see here how this worked moments ago, and now this is done now. We got about 6 items in here. So I will refresh my products listing, and we'll see these products listed in our product listing. Okay, so we can see, for example, NetSuite -006 NS-006 in our description. This is NetSuite item number 6, super. Here's our NetSuite. This is NetSuite item number 6, super. Okay, and that's it, right? The next thing I would do in this integration is I would populate these pictures, probably with another operation. But let's look at how this actually worked. Let's take a look here. So we've got our NetSuite search, and it's basically, all I did was declare that list of IDs that I wanted to pull. And we can see here the transformation. So NetSuite will respond with that information, and we could see just, how enormous that NetSuite XML is, right? This is just all the detail that NetSuite can provide for you. But in typical Jitterbit fashion, all I'm going to do is just pull a handful of fields here. All right, I'm pulling my ID field, my name field, my description, my quantity on hand, minimum order quantity, and base price. All right, now what I've done is you can see that I've variabilized these names. All right, and this is important because at least in my version of inserting products into BigCommerce, I'm only doing them one at a time. But notice here how I get around the limitation of being able to upsert or insert or post my, my information one at a time. This black line here is a looper. So for those 6 items, this is going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's looping this into my flat CSV structure. And at the end of that loop, I'm telling it to run this operation. All right, telling it to run the operation NetSuite items to BigCommerce products. All right, and we'll see when I return to the workflow what that actually looks like. So I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the loop, and then on the first one, I write into BigCommerce products. On the second one, I write in, and we can see here what that looks like as well. So again, there's those variables. Just picked them up and dropped them right in here. Some of these I've hard-coded, like, for example, type. Right? It's a required that I have, in this example, a physical type. All right, and then that's it. BigCommerce responds with success or failure, and I can log that. But really, that's all it takes to connect these 2 great cloud platforms together. A little bit of know-how and a little bit of dragging and dropping, and you're good to go. So this is my first in the series of connecting NetSuite to BigCommerce. Hey, thanks a lot for watching. It's been a pleasure, and look forward to presenting more for you.